Alright boys, November the 18th, a little nighttime video for you here. 7:40 p.m. The old Manticore and the M8 coil. Now we're going to show the Deus 2 here too. Show you what could happen to you in the wild. There's a US nickel. You see it there? You see that thing right there? Can you see that in that camera? Alright, all-terrain low conductors, speed 5. Horseshoe button is out. There's no disc in the machine there. We're going to sweep this from about 3 inches above. That's a US nickel. Okay, now we're going to sweep this item here from about equal distance. Same ID, huh? How about that shit? So in the wild, how would you know which is which? How would you know? They identical on this machine, all-terrain low conductors. You see that? They identical. I'm going to turn the camera off. Those two items are not moving. We're going to fire up this HF2 coil here, and I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, camera back on. Okay, now you've seen that nickel, how it read on the Manticore. And you got to see that thing right there. There's a shadow here, you know, because I'm standing with this light on my head. Sensitive program, speed 2. Since I ran that other machine at speed 5. 29 kilohertz. Channel 0, there's the nickel. Okay, here's this other item. You see the ID there. So I'm out in the wild and I'm looking at these two targets with this machine. And I toggle to 89 kilohertz. Channel 6. Now what does this nickel ID? You see that? I'm going to transition back to the 29 kilohertz band. So we got about 3 points there, right? Now I'm back over this thing here in 29 kilohertz channel 0. You see that ID? Now I went to 89 kilohertz channel 6. You see what happened? I would never dig that for a nickel on my worst day. How about that? And the nice part about it is, I don't have to be ultra concerned with my ID. I can probably open up, truthfully, a 5-point window or something, a 6. Maybe 2 above and 2 below what a nickel reads in 29 kilohertz channel 0. For a nickel window. If it comes in, maybe it's reading a point or 2 low. But when I do this little test right here with 89 kilohertz channel 6 over, after I detect it in the 29 kilohertz, if I only see about a 3-point spread with the ID, that tells me that it's not a damn pull ring, pull tab, ring enclosure kind of item or something like that. Let me see if I can move myself out of the way here. See that thing right there? So that's mimicking a nickel. Even on that machine and even on the Manticore, it's sitting back over there. But I don't have to dig that with this HF2 coil. There's too much ID disparity to be a nickel. Okay? That's going to conclude the little nighttime video.